Meet your 24/7 AI photographer. Real-time hyperrealistic photos made easy. No need to hire a photographer again. This AI photographer is available for 24 hours. Here's how you can get hyperrealistic photos in real time. Introducing Human Generator, http://generated.photos/human-generator. Let me show you how it works. Step 1 / Go to http://generated.photos/human-generator. Click on Create Human. Step 2 / Generate characters of all ethnicities, ages, and body types, from professional postures to casual stances. Try your face on generated bodies, use it with real faces. Step 3 / Dress as you wish. You can also try different clothing options. Get a perfect photo in a few clicks. Try it for free.